Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the T.Y.A. Fashion 6155 makeup kit, a 20-piece set that's got everything you need for a full glam look all in one amazing package. Let's dive into this beauty haul and see what it's all about. First up, the 5 pink makeup brushes. They're soft, cute, and perfect for applying everything in this kit. I used the big fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow. No shedding, and they blend so smoothly. Next, the eyeshadow palette. It's got 24 shades from mattes to shimmers with 3 blushers and 2 compacts too. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is decent, a bit powdery but buildable for everyday or bold looks. The 3-in-1 eye combo is a star, eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel in one. I tried it and the black is intense, making my eyes pop with just a few swipes. The 36H Kajal is jet black and creamy. I lined my waterline and it stayed put all day with no smudging. Love that staying power. Then the compact. It sets my base with a matte finish, keeping shine away. The lipstick is creamy and vibrant, a shade that lasts hours and feels comfy on my lips. The makeup fixer is a spray that locks it all in. I tested it and my look stayed fresh even after a busy day. The primer smooths my skin perfectly, and the foundation blends out with good coverage. Not too heavy, just natural. The contour adds definition. I sculpted my cheeks, and it's so easy to use. Finally, the 3 makeup puffs. Soft and great for blending foundation or powder seamlessly. This kit is a dream for beginners or anyone wanting an affordable all-in-one set. It's not luxury, but for the price, it's a steal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this T.Y.A. set or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.